Hi and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to take an image in PowerPoint and make the background of that image transparent. So by the end of this video, you should be able to take your image and have the background of that image blend in with your slide in PowerPoint. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So here I am in Excel and I have a PowerPoint slide, and I've just changed the background of this slide to a different color because the background color of the image I want to insert is white. So I just didn't want to use a white slide, so that's why we're using the green one. So if I go over here to insert and I click this down arrow on pictures and select from this device, I can navigate to a picture and double click and it will be inserted into PowerPoint. Now I'm just going to click this edit button. And once I've inserted a picture, I now get this ribbon up here called picture format. So I'm going to click on that and go over here to color. And in the color menu, I'm going to go down here to set transparent color. And now when I hover my mouse over my image, you may have to click the image in order to get this change in your mouse. You can see that I have this sort of pencil right here. What this is a color picker, and whatever color I pick here is going to be changed to transparent. And in this case, I can click on any of the white that is here, and that's what I'm going to do now. And you can see that the white has now been changed to transparent. So if I click anywhere else in my slide, it looks like my picture is now just part of my slide. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. We go into this in more detail out on our blog, and I will include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.